Guys, I'm gonna choose a book. Oh yeah, I hope you like it. Wait, let's change the bread man. One morning, a little old woman and a little old and once upon a time there was a little old man and a little old woman. So they wanted to have a cookie. She got all the glowing eggs. The little old woman mixed all the glowing eggs. She baked it. She baked it. She put it in the oven. She put it in the oven. Then she opened the oven. The gingerbread man was done. So she opened the cakes. But the gingerbread man jumped up and sang a song. Run, fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. He chanted. Run, fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Wait, where are you going? I want to eat you, said the little old man. Yes, they lived on the farm. Maybe